I'm going to show you how to lock your PDF using Acrobat Pro or Acrobat. So to get started, you can create a password by going to adobe.com and then go to PDF and e-signatures, then go to view all tools, and then from there you just have to scroll down and then look for product PDF. So we just have to scroll down and then locate product PDF. Most likely it's in the bottom of the scroll. So from here, when you find the Protect PDF, you just have to click on Protect PDF and click Try for free. And then from there, you will be redirected to a next page. And once you're in there, just click on Select a File. And then you have to select a file of your choice, what PDF that you wanted to have a password. So from here, when you're done loading, you just have to wait or speed it up. And once you selected the file, it will automatically upload, and then from there you just have to set a password and then confirm your password. Then after that, you can see the password strength right there, and then once you're done with that, you can just have to click on set password. Then just click on set password. Then Acrobat or Adobe will just automatically create your file with password, and then once you're done with that, it will just open directly. But when you open, a pop-up will show up right here, which you're going to need your password that you created just to open the file. So from here, you can just download the file. When you open the file, just click on download right above here, and then when you download it, it will now be protected via a password. So when you open the file or PDF file, it will need a new password, and that's it. That's how to lock your PDF via Acrobat.